here's where we're going. But where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, of course. Awesome. So, it's like 6 different streets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different streets here. And basically all in this one intersection. Allée des Chateaux. Okay. Good. I think we have finally found our way. Good morning, everybody. We are outside of Annecy, France right now. We just finished the Gorges Du Fier over here. And then we saw the signs for this castle. There's a sign right here for the castle. And I had seen it on Google Maps. I didn't do a lot of research on it, but we do have some time. So this is Chateau de Montrottier. I don't know which letters I'm not supposed to pronounce. There's a chateau. So it's just 200 meters up this way, according to the feet on the ground. So this may be awesome. This may be kind of cool. This may be boring. We don't know. We're not huge museum people, but we do like cool things. So chateaus can be cool. So we're going to try it out because we have some time before we go into Annecy.
And we can earn our lunch.
Yes. Because we're going to get lunch in Annecy here later. So trying to get as many steps in now as we can. Looks like you... Oh, that's a restaurant.
That's the restaurant we went by.
Yeah, that's that. So, I'm sure there's a parking lot here with it. I don't know. We saw it coming down. I don't know if that's part of it through there or not. We saw it coming down though. Should be cool. Let's walk around. And we're just going to share with you whatever it is that we find. Got a beautiful field of wildflowers right here. Which is what we're finding right now. It's the beginning of May, like 11th, I think.
Yes.
May 11th, 2023. Weather is actually really nice. It's probably like low 60, like 60 or so, which I think is around 15 Celsius. Future Kyle will fix it right here. And it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, maybe a little after. So if you're just joining us, we started our trip flying into Geneva. We spent yesterday in Geneva walking around, and then this morning we rented a car and we went to the Gorges, and the Gorges were amazing. And so now we leave some time on certain days where we can kind of do whatever, and because we saw this and we have time, we're just gonna try it out. Right now we're getting a unexpected uphill climb to the chateau. Looks like we got some rock wall here. I guess we should have expected it since it's right here near the Gorges, but I was thinking it's only 200 meters.
We didn't say whether it was flat or uphill.
I guess they didn't specify 200 meters uphill. No, they just say 200 meters. Okay.
Don't get your feet wet.
Wet feet. It's all French to me. Saw the word fees and I was trying to see if it was saying how much we had to pay, but they use the word tariff, right?
Yeah. A billet, which is tickets.
Or billet, which is tickets, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
B-I-L-E-T.
Billet.
But you don't pronounce the T.
Lizard. Hello, lizard buddy. Ooh. Whew. Hands on the hips. Getting them steps in. Okay. Well, I thought this was going to be a shorter intro than this, but the chateau has made itself known early. Okay. So, continue on up this hill. I suggest parking in the parking lot instead of hiking it. But I don't know. We're gonna need what?
We are young
Oh,
and youthy.
we are young and youthy. Sometimes I don't feel that way, but I just keep telling myself that. I am young, I am youthy, I can do this. Okay. That's gotta be close to 200 meters, right? I don't see the castle. Well, here's where we're going. But where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, of course. Awesome. So, it's like 6 different streets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different streets here. And basically all in this one intersection. Allée des Chateaux. Okay. Good. I think we have finally found our way. Get a picture?
Your shadow's in.
So we just got our tickets to the chateau. They are €10 a piece, which I believe with the US dollar is about straight across right now. But because we had done the gorges, we had our tickets from the gorges, it was €2 off each. And I guess there's gardens up here that you also have to pay for separately that we can get a discount for if we want to do the gardens. So just kind of taking in this French countryside here for a second while we catch our breath. So the gardens actually just go down in there, or maybe it's a loop because I thought the entrance was over there too. So maybe it loops around. So I don't have any signal right now, unfortunately, because I was trying to get some information. Ooh, look at Lizard Buddy. It's just a lizard buddy.
I know, he scared me. I'm sorry.
You know when as a snake buddy I grab you.
No, I literally saw him before you said that too.
Okay, I can see the gardens right down here, at least part of it, and I don't know that it's worth paying for.
Maybe when it's in full bloom, maybe.
Yeah.
You can see it from here.
I don't know how much. I mean, I'm sure there might be some stuff down inside, maybe. But I'm thinking we might skip that.
Yeah.
at this point. Because it does look like it goes down that probably. Wow. Pretty nice chateau. So let me check and see if I've got any signal on my phone yet. Because now that we're up on this hill, we might. Because I'd like to get some information on here. Oh, we do have signal now. So let me do some quick research. Be right back. Okay, so I did my quick chat GPT information background on this, and it says it is a 13th century castle. It was opened to the public in 1922, and it's full of 30,000 different items that range from armor, tapestries, furniture, weapons, things like that. So that's just the quick history. Guessing this must be some type of French, I don't know if it's the county or the state or whatever flag. Then you got the EU flag, and maybe that's the flag of the chateau. I don't know. I'm gonna take a picture in front of the pretty flowers. Okay, we're just kind of walking around the outside now, enjoying the views before we head in. Kind of see what's out here first. By doing this all out of order, that's okay. It's okay to be different, right?
Yeah.
There's the gorges. More of the gardens. Yeah, the gardens are not. I'd pay maybe €1 to get a little closer. Got your picture taken. Okay, you want to head inside?
Sure.
Okay, let's get inside. Okay, so we're going to the entrance. The other thing I didn't mention when we bought the tickets was there is a guided tour, and they're just at certain times. So I think they said the next one was at like 12:15, and I guess the bell rings, and then they take you in the tour. And in the tour, you do get to go to a couple rooms that you can't go to if you go on your own. But I don't know if the timing is going to work out for us to go to that. So I think we're just going to have to be on our own and just enjoy it as we see it, which probably for us is, and our style, is better. Oh, wow. I didn't know they played Connect 4 back then.
This is the guard room.
This is the guard room, so they played Connect 4 and Tic-Tac-Toe back here. I believe that's historically accurate. So there's the view from up top. The cow lady.
I'm still following her.
This lady over here. She's got the cows followed her all the way down there. For whatever reason, she must have pet one of them. I don't think cows often get pets. So, from up here, you get a 360-degree view. So it's just a big circle, and it's just windows, windows, windows from every angle. You could just pick a window and get a great view. This here is part of the gardens. So all of that we can't go to unless we pay for the gardens, but we can see them from here. It doesn't look like it's worth really paying anything extra for. They should probably just give it to everybody for this. Charge an extra $1. But, so that's the top of the dungeon. That's pretty cool. The views are awesome. Oh yeah, another thing I noticed was it looks like they said parts of this have been redone. So like this is stone and this is cement. So I'm guessing they've redone parts of this here, like this wall looks redone here. More modern. But, okay, we're gonna head back down in the next room. So that is it for the Chateau de Montrottier, or however you pronounce it. You tell me in the comments. Montrottier. The Chateau. Pretty cool place, huh? So, I would say if you like old castles and stuff like that and you're here, definitely worth going to. Is it worth going out of your way for? No, but it's only, if you're going, I would go to the Gorges. Go to the Gorges, and if you like stuff like this, I'd obviously just come up.
It's only $8 more, so.
Yeah, it's only $8 more. But don't come here just for this. Come here for the Gorges. Stay for the Chateau. That's what I say. That's my verdict.
I agree.
Come for the Gorges, stay for the Chateau. Don't worry about the gardens.
Unless we're just not season.
Yeah. So, I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button now. Comment, tell me how to pronounce the name of this castle, this chateau, because I don't know how to pronounce it. Or just tell me what you thought. And obviously, if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the button now. Doesn't cost you anything. I won't annoy you or anything like that. I'm not sending you annoying emails or anything like that. Just hit the subscribe button, and that way when you see something else that we do that's really cool like this that you like, you can watch that one too, because we are just starting this trip here in Europe, and we've got way more coming, maybe even stuff cooler than this. So until then, we will see you in the next one.